Hey friends, it's Eric, and today we're going to talk about my most recent purchase. This is the MEATER Pro. Now, I did get the one that is XL, which means that there's 4 probes. They also sell ones that are smaller, just 1 and 2 probes. But I cook for my entire family, so I bought the one that has 4 probes, and I absolutely love this. Now, I've tested out MEATER, just the regular MEATER. It was okay. I've tested out a couple other brands. They were getting better, and now the MEATER Pro is here, and they've answered a lot of the issues I had before. These are awesome. Absolutely love them. Now, I usually cooking on the grill some hamburgers or steaks. My wife and my daughter, they like medium to medium rare, and I'm more of a medium well to well done type of guy. So for me, it's pretty easy to cook because I can't go wrong. I just pretty much knock it out of the park and it's good to go. But for them, I gotta get the temperature right, and it's much harder to cook for them than it is for me. So having a smart thermometer to let me know when their food is done is a must have, and this is getting better, and this thing is almost perfect. But I do have one minor con that I'll definitely mention towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, one of the things that I love about this is that I'm able to leave it near the cooking area and go wherever I want. If I wanted to leave the house, if I'm smoking something, I could definitely do so because the MEATER block actually connects to my Wi-Fi. So the actual probes are Bluetooth to the block, and then the block connects to my Wi-Fi, and my Wi-Fi is in my entire house. My outside is all Wi-Fi. And if I happen to leave my house, then it still works over my cell phone reception via the app. And it's awesome, so I can get notified of anything that's going on. Now, usually I'm just cooking hamburgers and steaks, so it's pretty quick. I usually don't leave, but I could. And no matter where I am in the house, I get notified when to go flip it over, when it's almost done, when I need to take it off. It tells me everything I need to know. Now, the app is pretty user friendly. I love it. It asks you what you're cooking, what type of meat, how you want it, so and so. It really helps you through the process, and then you'll get notifications if there's any issues or when it's ready to come off. It's really simple and easy, and honestly, I don't know what I've ever did without smart thermometers like this. Now, one of the things that makes this different than any other one is the higher temperatures that this allows. With my previous ones, anytime I had a flare up, it would actually lose connection, or I would get notification that the thermometer is too hot and it would stop working. So I had to be careful of flare ups. But this one, they say can go up to 1,000 degrees, and you can actually deep fry with this, which is just crazy to me. I've never tried it, but it sounds pretty awesome. But I don't have those notifications or those issues with flare ups up on the grill. And if the temperature does get too hot, it just lets me know and I can go out there and take care of the issue. But at least it's not shutting down because of that high heat. And talking about high heat, you always want to be careful with removing these things. They are extremely hot when you take out. I've actually burnt my fingers a few times not thinking about it. So just FYI, always let it cool off or use some type of heat gloves to remove them. And once they cool, they're super easy to clean. And then I put them back onto the block and plug in the block, and everything gets charged up and ready for next time. Now, I'm not quite sure how long the block actually lasts. I've never used up the entire battery life, but if you're doing a extended smoke, then definitely you want to make sure you power up that block. But they say the probes themselves can actually work for over 24 hours, which I haven't tested. But the turkey that my wife and I did definitely had no problems with the block not being charged up for the 4 hours that we were cooking or so. But one thing I did have an issue when we were cooking the turkey was that it kept losing communication. So I don't know if it's my stove that just blocked the signal every now and then. It didn't happen constantly. It would be intermittent that one of 3 of the probes would lose signal. I would get notification, but then it would come back. So not quite sure what was happening there, but I do want to let you know that it doesn't have the best communication between the block and the probes, but it did fine on my grill, just not in my oven. So just heads up, you might have that issue too. But like I said, I had 3 probes in mine, and it usually was only losing one at a time. All in all, I absolutely love this. It solved all my issues that I had with my previous one with flare-ups, and I absolutely love it, and I think you'll love it too. If you guys want more information or pricing, definitely check out my Amazon affiliate link right up there. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.